Motherfuckers, this is a meditation if you can't stand a customer. Like if you just had a customer that came in and you were like, you wanted to be like, fuck you. Fuck you. You wanted to be like that, but you were like this. Come again. Thank you. Have a good day. And then you're like, fucking motherfucker. If you're feeling like that, this meditation is for you. We've all been there. Don't act like you've never been there. Especially the yoga people out there. They're like, I would never do something like that. Shut the fuck up. You feel that too. We all do. We all get angry. It happens, and that's why I'm here for you. We're going to embrace that anger. We're going to channel it. Yes, we may say fuck off, but it's okay. We're doing it for ourselves, okay? It's okay to feel anger. Boom. Sit the fuck down or lie down. It's time to meditate. Relax your thumb. Both thumbs. Relax your thumb. Attention and awareness to your thumbs. Attention and awareness to your hands. Relax your fucking hands. Relax your hands. And as you relax your hands, it starts to travel up your arms, up and down your spine and your head, all the way down to your booty, butt crack, legs, toes, feet, all relaxing. Your whole body is fucking relaxing. Yes. Feels good. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. And exhale, just go. You can laugh. Just get the funkiness out of you. Let's do it again. Inhale through your nose. Do it again. There you go. Feeling much better. Now just breathe nice and smooth in and out through your nose. And as you inhale, just say fuck. And on the exhale, off. Fuck off to that customer. Inhale, fuck. Exhale, off. Feeling better and better and better. How do you feel? Much better? Yes? It's okay. It's okay. Fuck them. Come back to your body. Come back to your breath. Come back to your fingers and your toes and your body and feel relaxed. Yes! Have a great fucking day. Boom.